Shh. A little track walk.
Little track walk.
What do you think it looks like?
Hard pack right now, but they're gonna tilt it and water the shit out of it, so probably gonna be deep for tomorrow, but it looks tight, really tight.
How did that sneak in plan go?
It came in, but we get caught, so we had to leave.
Trying to find a place to sleep tonight. That they wanted $50 just to park here for one night, because Will Call doesn't open until tomorrow. Yeah, so now we're just trying to find a spot where we can sleep without paying $50. So we can't find a free parking at the track where Mathias is training tomorrow, so now we gotta try to find a parking place somewhere where we can.
$50 for one night of sleep.
Yeah, privateer life, cannot afford.
We found a parking spot.
We found a ghetto spot here in the middle of
I don't know
nowhere.
if you can see it in the window, but it's pouring down outside.
And our shelf broke.
You broke it. Okay guys, so this is currently the food we're gonna eat today. We got some rice, some tofu, some beans, some cottage cheese. And the chef, she's right there. She wants me to carb load, so I'm eating a lot of carbs today. Okay, so we basically just parked here in a parking lot somewhere, 10 minutes away from the track. We came 2 hours too late to sign in at Will Call, so the guys wouldn't let us into the track. But I could come on a parking lot next to the track for $50. I could go 15 minutes away into the city and I could take a shitty hotel for $50. And Stina got her nails done the other day.
For $15.
$15, you see? Already used up the race budget for this week. Back like this. Now it's just straight.
So we got a package from Mathias's new sponsor. FXR saved us in the last minute with some fresh gear, so happy to have them on the team.
We just made it back to the pits. Fortunately it's raining a lot and that was the only change to try to ride the track before tomorrow. So
Do you think they're gonna do the practice?
I don't know, it's really muddy and wetty now. It was too muddy, they took the dozer and moved the dirt off the track down to the good ground, but now it's just pouring down again. And
some MOTO dinner.
MOTO dinner. Pasta. Carbs, 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 carbs. Pasta, beans, squash, onions. Squash. Onions, red pepper. That's about it. I was good, wasn't I?
Yeah?
Yeah, and it was not even me who made it.
Pretty good. No practice today.
No practice today. First we should start at 1, then we should start at 2, then we should start at 3, then we should start at 3:30, and then the rain came. And then it was over. So today it's actually our 11-month anniversary. So yeah, I know it's pretty nice of me, but I invited her outside of the Sprinter.
And you cooked for me too?
No, I didn't cook, but I invited you out and eat. You cooked it inside, and I invited out eating.
You're so sweet.
Yeah, so yeah, nice of me inviting her out on was anniversary day. And she liked it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now we are just sitting here with the internet and canceling our reservations
for Veshugo.
for next weekend.
Next weekend we should be flying to Veshugo, and the Pirelli track should be hauling my bike up there. And just got an email that all that racing weekend is cancelled, so we gotta get 2 weekends at LORETTA LYNN's 85cc track. Track is really narrow here. All takeoffs is mellow, really mellow down. So
Yeah. But we haven't tried the track yet.
we haven't tried the track yet, but yeah,
cancel and get our money back.
that's what it's all about right now.
Yeah.
We got the money back from the hotel. Now we just need to get the money back for the flights. So I'm working on it. Sharing mask with your buddy. Morning guys, Saturday morning. The princess is about to do the most important thing. Hair and makeup. Bikes is outside. They're ready. I'm about to get... Most important thing is the bike is ready. Yeah, food is ready too. So, gotta get my breakfast in. Gonna start out with my coffee here. And my breakfast. Some yogurt and strawberries, banana, almonds, chia seeds, and yeah. About 50 minutes until my practice go down. We have 5 minutes free practice. Woo! And then we have 10 minutes time practice. So a lot of practice to know the track. Race division. If you need any sprays or shine or anything, so it's easier to wash, you just grab it. Get it. So, 2 qualifying's done. Way better second qualifying. I'm 2-3 seconds of the factory guys. Finished 25th overall, both groups. So, pretty good. Wanted to be in the top 20, but that's like 1.5 seconds. So I bet we can do it in the race. Always been better racing than qualifying. So
just get a good start.
So let's get a good start and fucking all ass, baby.
The track looks miserable out there.
I got stuck first lap. Jump over a small inside bump, and then the rut on the other side was just like 1.5 feet deep, 2 meters deep. Just had to push my bike out.
Crazy.
Why I'm doing this?
Because I'm making you food.
You're the mechanic, right?
I'm making food. Mathias here making ready for the first heat. Bike is looking mint. Mathias is looking mint with his new FXR gear.
See the 14 on the bike until today, and he's making it look good with a big gap leading the field. Jeremy Martin in second, Shane McElrath third, RJ Hampshire day, so it's only going to dry out even further. So we'll see if other lines develop as Ferrandis is trying to bring it home over Martin and Hampshire. And a couple of stories to update you on.
Ready for Moto 2. Sounds like you're ready.
I don't know about that yet. We have 1 hour from first moto to second moto. We have to change clothes, wash bike, gas, new oil,
Food, drink. Try to relax.
I think my pipe is... Oh. My subframe is bent.
Your subframe is bent?
That's why my tire is hitting my football. Hope it worked.
Fine. The second moto, Mathias got 24th. How is it?
Rough, bad start, fights all the way to the first couple of laps, huge deep ruts, crash in a corner with all the bars, get stuck with a husky, up again. Yeah.
How is it to be back racing?
It was good, but it's tough, you know, from the first moto to the second moto you have 50 minutes. You have to wash the bike, eat, drink,
Fix
change your clothes, change oil, change the air filter. Oh. The food was just finished. I got mine already.
So now we are heading back to Florida.
We heard there was a race down there in the morning and they had a pro payout. So if we can't really win any money up here, we have to go back and win some money down there.
So we are trying to make it down there before the morning.
And right now it says if we go straight, non-stop driving, we will be there 7:30.
Oh, we'll see if we make it. We got some food here, getting refueled, and hopefully be ready to race again tomorrow.
Yep. We just arrived here, back in West Palm Beach, Florida. 15 hours drive.
Didn't end up going racing.
We didn't end up going racing. We have no time. Clean. Pack up again. Off to the next weekend. Same place.